Hi, I'm JD, and what we're going to be doing today is using the TI-84 Plus, and we're going to be doing a box plot. Let me read the question. It says the number of teacher strikes over a 13-year period in a state is shown. Construct a box plot for the data. Is the distribution symmetric? So what you're going to do first is you need to type in your data. So you go to Stat, and then go to Edit. You're going to type that in a list, and look, it's already done for us. 21, let's just check these: 21, 17, 8, 12, another 8, 15, 4, that was a nice year, 10, 10, 10, 9, 16, and then 14. All right, so then I'm going to exit out of that, and you can tell it's the 13th one by also that number inside the parentheses. Second, quit. Now for the box plot, we want to go to stat plot, so second, and then stat plot to get the blue, and then we're going to click enter. We're going to turn this on, and then we want to select the box plot, which also gives us our 5-number summary. So it's this one right here, the middle bottom. Our list is in list 1, frequency is 1, so that looks good. And then we'll hit graph. There's our box plot right there. We're going to have to adjust it. So let's go to Window, and we'll change the X's. I don't think you have to change the Y's. You go a little below and a little above. So let's go 2. Highest one is 21. Let's go to 22, and then we'll count by 2s. All right, let's graph. There's our box plot. And just recall with a box plot, it gives you the min, the first quartile, the second quartile, which is the same as the median. It gives you the third quartile and the max. And from the min to that first line is your first quartile. The middle line is your second quartile, or your median. Median is 50% of your data below, 50% above, and from those lines, from each number going in order of the 5-number summary, from the min to the first quartile is 25% of your data. So let's hit the trace button. There's our median. Our median is 10. 8.5 for our first quartile. And then our min is 4. Let's see where our third quartile is, 15.5, and then our max is 21. And notice that your data looks something like this, right? That's 25%, that's 25, and then it's very spread out. So that tells us that's not symmetrical. If it was symmetrical, then it would be very balanced, and you could split it up in half and it would be like a mirror image. But here it's not, so it's not symmetrical. And that's it. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, you can email me, jdmathguy@gmail.com. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.